Hi, my name is Heba,
And my name is Rashid.
and we're the owners of Domilya Group.
I think the number one thing that we love about the Domilya Group is the friendliness and the quality.
Now I live in a home. I feel like $1 million because of them.
Working with Domilya has been absolutely amazing. They are professional. Rashid's available all the time.
It looks absolutely amazing. So we have lots of straight, clean lines, so bringing in more of the round, organic shapes, lots of nice fuzzy throws and things is really a nice way to add those levels and sort of give it that more cozy, homey feeling, which isn't necessarily something we had ever done before.
I'd worked with the Domilya Group previous time, and they did such a good job I had to call them back.
All the work is excellent, on time, on budget. The team is great to work with.
We had our 2 bathrooms renovated by Domilya and had the most incredible experience. Everybody on the team was super friendly and great with our family and very respectful of our time, and we couldn't be happier.
The attention to detail, whether it be on site or in the showroom, where Heba and her team walked you through each and every product, their attention to detail and just their passion for renovation was absolutely amazing. We couldn't be happier.
Heba and the entire Domilya team, we are so thankful for the work and the love and concern that you put into our home. We are just enjoying this house thoroughly and can't wait to spend the rest of our lives in it.
Design team, the construction crew, everybody was great.
That was a really, really nice place now, so I don't want to move out.
I'd highly, highly recommend them.
So I want to thank Domilya Group for everything they've done for me, and I hope to see them in the near future for future renovations.
Great results, very happy. So thank you, Domilya Group. Hilo says hi too.
We also chose all of our finishes from the showroom, which was an awesome experience.
Extremely happy with the work, the quotes, and everything that went along with it.
The kids love their new bedrooms and our beautiful new kitchen. And thank you so much on behalf of my kids, my wife Christina. Thank you, Heba and Rashid, for everything that you did.